Meaning of fringe medicine.
Fringe medicine.
Fringe medicine.
Fringe medicine.
Fringe medicine. Fringe medicine refers to medical practices that are considered unconventional, unproven, or outside of mainstream medicine. These practices are often based on alternative philosophies and therapies that lack scientific validation or evidence-based medicine. Examples of fringe medicine include herbal remedies, energy healing therapies, and acupuncture. While some individuals may seek out these types of treatments due to a distrust of traditional medicine or as a last resort when conventional treatments have failed, it is important to exercise caution and skepticism when considering these approaches. Always consult with a licensed medical professional before pursuing any type of medical treatment or therapy.